Hey guys, so I want to show y'all how I am doing all of my 2022 digital planning, productivity, journaling, and note taking all on my iPhone and my iPad. I've been doing this method for about 6 months now and I'm sticking to it. So I definitely want to show y'all all of the apps that I use to do all of my planning, productivity, business, everything right from my iPad and my iPhone. So let's get started. So to do all of my note taking and my planning, I actually use the GoodNotes app. This is about $7.99 just to download it, but it's not a monthly subscription. It's just that one-time fee, and to me it's well worth the money because I use this every single day for taking all of my notes. I use it for when I want to write out my journaling, and I also use it for my daily planning. So the planner that I'm using for 2022 is the Good Mondays paper planner. I will link it, but this is the planner here, and if I click on that, it'll open up to like the calendar overview. So I really like this planner because it's simple, it's minimal, it's like really aesthetic to me at least. And I like it because you can click on the month, you can click on the week, you can also click on the day. I'm going backwards here, but you get the point. So it gives you a daily view that can go through the time and your top 3. It also gives you a weekly view where you can put like your priorities for the week. And then again, it'll also take you to the month. I also really like this planner because it allows you to set goals for each month. It allows you to reflect for the month. And then it also has a notepad in the back where you can have like different note sections, and then it'll take you to that specific notebook. So again, this is the planner that I'm using. It's really simple. And yeah, I really love it. So that's the planner that I use. And then for journaling, I have my morning pages here. I'm not going to open it because it's personal, but every morning after I have my devotional time, I will come in here and write for about 30 minutes to an hour. I'll journal. And again, using the Apple Pencil, I'm able to write just as if I was writing on paper. But I really like this method of journaling because, again, I don't have to worry about my journals getting lost or me forgetting. You know, I can kind of keep everything in one notebook. And I'll show you another method that I use for journaling in just a minute. But yeah, I like it, like using the GoodNotes app for journaling. And then I also have these folders for work and personal stuff. So as you can see, for those that don't know, I have a corporate job as a project manager, and then I have my consulting agency, WorkRedefined, where I manage projects and operations for brands and businesses. So I just keep all of my documents and things in here. Again, I have my notebooks and things like that. And so again, everything's in one place. I don't have to worry about getting lost. If it's sensitive information, I can lock it, things like that. So I really like using the GoodNotes app again for note taking, journaling, as well as planning. So let me show you the other method that I use for journaling. It is the Day One app. This app is free to download. There is a paid version that I use just because I journal a lot, but you can get by with the free version just fine. So let me show you. Here you'll see that I've been using this journaling app, honestly, let me see, since I think 2015. Yes, since 2015. So I really like it again because I don't have to worry about my journals being spread out all over the place. You know, I can keep track of, different journeys. I really like it also because you can have different folders. So like I have my daily journaling where I pretty much like recap the day. I have my dreams that I keep track of. I have, sermon notes, different things about vision. I also have my fitness journey that I just started this year. So just trying to keep track, and I like it because you can come to the calendar view and then you can kind of see, I'm trying to get into the habit of doing this every day, but you can kind of see your progress along the way. And again, because I've been using this app for literally years, I can see, just how much progress I've made over the years. So yeah, I really like the Day One app again. It is a free journal. It also gives you prompts if you don't know what you want to talk about for that day. So I really like that. Let's see what else. I also use the G calendar to do like a lot of my planning. So you'll see like I have the month view. You can also do the week view, the daily view. And yeah, I really like it. I like it because I have multiple calendars that I use for personal, for business, for my corporate job, and I can keep everything in one place. So we love to see that. Also, I use the Notes app just for random note taking. I also use the ClickUp app and I will show y'all this, but I use this to kind of manage my content as well as my client projects. And so here you'll be able to see where I can come to my content calendar, and then I can also kind of, you know, write out all of my content. I can schedule my content, and so you'll see that here. I manage multiple brands, so I'm able to also kind of divvy it up by brands as well. It's just a really good way for me to stay organized with my content. And then I also use the Reminders app as my to-do list. So let me show y'all that. This is the app. It's free to download. It comes right on your iPhone and your iPad. And I like this one because you can make the multiple lists. So I have one that's for to do, and I really like this one because you're allowed to like make different categories. And so I like may outdent that if I don't want it to be associated with it. So I have the personal, I have my clients, some of my clients here, and then I also have like my writing consulting to do. So again, I really like this one because if I am like, for example, cooking or I'm driving and I can't type out a to do, I really like it because I'm able to say like, hey Siri, add, I was about to do it now. Hey Siri, add get new candles to my to-do list.
Okay, added.
And y'all see, it will do that. So again, I really like it, and it added it right there. So I like that because again, if I'm cooking and I realize I need another grocery, you know, if I want to put down a new 2022 intention or habit, again, it's really easy and simple to use, and it's free. So I really like using the reminders list as my major to-do list. And honestly, I think that's it. I really try to keep things simple nowadays because I realize that less is more. If you want me to go more in depth about how maybe I keep my business organized or how I keep clients or just what's on my iPad in general, let me know. But this is really the method that I use on a daily basis to again plan, stay organized, journal, note take, and do all those things in one place. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you'd like to learn more, and I will see y'all next time.